Hello, my name is Rahul Khartode. My video topic is string in Java. String is the sequence of characters. It means the string contains the characters, and the string is also called as the array of string. That means string contain all characters. Or also we can create string by using the single string. This is called a string array. The string is generally non-primitive data type. The data types which does not have fixed data type is called non-primitive data types. In the non-primitive data type, that is the string and arrays are included. Because of the type is not fixed in the data type, it can be very differentiable like array or string. In the primitive data type, there is the only fixed data type, that is int or char or float, double. But in the string or non-primitive, there is no fixed data type. Also, string is the class. The string is the final class which extends the objects and also implement the serializable and the comparable. The string has also the one single body which contain multiple methods and variables. The string can be created by using three types. That is string created by using string. Also string can be created by using string buffer. Also string can be created by using string builder. These are the three ways to create the string. Single string, which has also two or three types to create string. That is, we can create the string by using the new keyword, and also we can create the string by using the literals. For example, we have to create one string, then we just write the string and we write the reference variable, that is yes is equal to, we uses the new keyword and write the data constructor, that is string. The string is immutable. That means when we create any string, then it cannot be updated or changeable. It is fixed. If we have to change anything in that string, then there is no possibility, or we cannot change in that string. When we have to change that string, then we have to create another string and update which we want to do. Also, there is the second way to create the string, that is by using literals. When we know the elements or the characters or string, then we can easily directly create the string by using literals. For example, we have to create the string of characters, then we just write string reference variable, that is yes is equal to, in the double quote we write the our string, that is for example epsilon. This is the simple way to create the string in Java. The string is immutable. Also, the string has multiple methods to easy to use. The string has the multiple methods like yes.length method, That means when we have to know the length of the string, that is, we have, for example, we created the string yes is equal to double quote F sign. Then if we want to know the length of that string, then we can easily write in the statement sys out yes dot length. Then we can get the length of that string. Also, there is the multiple method like a caret method, trim method, split method, two char array method, and many more methods. Caret method is used to find the character which is present at the index. If you want to know, or if you want to find the element which is present at the index second, that is in the hep sign, the string is hep sign, and we want to know the which element or which character is present at the index 2, then we can easily find it by using the s.caret method, and easily we can get that is f character is present at the index 2. Also, there is the two char array method. If the string contain the hep sign, and if we want to, or if we want to changes in some changes, or if we want to do something in the string, then we can easily convert that string into char array by using the two char array method. For example, the string yes is equal to hep sign, then we can easily print out that string in the character sequence by using the two char method. There is also the one important topic, that is SCP. SCP is the string constant pool. The SCP is mainly used for the management of memory, because when we create the string, there are two ways, that is by using new keyword and using literals. When we create the string by using literals, then the object is created in the heap memory. But there are the possibilities of making two objects. First is in the SCP and second is in the heap memory. So there is the memory losses, or memory expenses more. We easily create the string by using literals. It has the chance to create object by only one time. The string buffer and string builder are also the two topics to create the string, and it has also the special constructor and special methods. When we have to use the string buffer, and when we have to use the string, when the characters is changes continuously, then we have to use the string buffer. That means when the data is changing continuously, then we have to use string buffer. For example, in the calculator, we continuously changes the data, so we cannot use their only string, so we uses their string buffer because of the application of the string buffer. The string buffer has also the special methods. It has the multiple methods like length method, caret method, delete caret method, and equal method, insert method. This type of methods are also present in the string buffer, and string builder has also the multiple methods like equal method, length method, and also it has the separate constructors in the string builder. That's all about string. Thank you.